Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Planet. If you have applied for Indian Post GDS and you're waiting for the results, then this video is very important for you because many candidates are confused where to check the results and how to check the merit list and what to do after selection. Don't worry, in this video I will explain step by step how to check your Indian Post GDS result easily. So watch the video till the end. I will also share some important tips that many people don't know. Let's start this video. First, I will give the official website link in the description. Always use the official website only. Do not trust any fake websites or unofficial links. After clicking the link, the official India Post GDS online website will open. Here you will see the home page. On the left side, you can see the Candidates Corner section. In this section, you will find options like registration, apply online, fee payment, and most importantly, shortlisted candidates below the left side homepage. Now, many people are asking, has the 2026 result has been released or not? As of now, the 2026 GDS merit list is not released yet, but once the results are released, you can follow the same steps shown in this video. Now let me show you how to check the result once it is released. Click on shortlisted candidates. After clicking, you will see the list of states. For example, if you are from Andhra Pradesh, click on Andhra Pradesh. Now the merit list will open. Now you will see the list of candidates shortlisted. Supplementary list 1, supplementary list 2, 3, 4 like that. The merit list will open in PDF format, and sometimes the file may have many pages, 30 to 40 pages, so checking manually will take time. Here is simple trick. If you are using a laptop or computer, press Ctrl F on your keyboard. A search box will open. Now enter your registration number and press enter. If your number is present in the list, it will be highlighted with the blue color. That means you are selected for document verification. If your number is not found in the first list, don't worry. India Post releases multiple lists such as supplementary list 1, 2, 3, 4. You can open each list and check your registration number again using the same Ctrl F method. Now let's talk about what to do after selection. If your name is in the merit list, you need to attend document verification. Keep these documents ready. 10th Marks Memo, Aadhaar Card, Caste Certificate, Resident Certificate, and Medical Certificate. Make sure all documents are original. One more important point. Selection in GDS is based only on your 10th class marks. There is no written exam and no interview. So don't worry if your name is not in the first list. Wait for the next merit list. I hope this video helped you understand how to check your Indian Post GDS results easily. And another important update for students who are preparing for competitive exams. If you are preparing for RRB JE, RRB NTPC or CBT1, I have tagged some useful textbooks in this video like TCS NQT, the people who are searching for IT jobs and preparing for TCS NQT 2026. These books are very helpful for preparation and the price is also affordable. Most of the books cost around 250 to 280. I have added the product links from Flipkart for your convenience. If you are planning to buy these books, you can check the price using the link and sometimes there will be discounts offer or coupons available. You can use those coupons and buy the books at a lower price. But before buying, please check whether the book matches your syllabus latest edition and whether it is useful for your preparation. If you feel the book is helpful, then you can go ahead and purchase using the tag link. I'm sharing these links only to help students who are interested for RRB preparation and looking for good study materials at a low cost. Then you can buy it. And thank you so much for watching Study Planet. Please like, share, subscribe to Study Planet if you like this content.